Hello everyone, my name is Spursh and welcome back in another video on Just to Tech YouTube channel. So today I'm going to show you how you can fix the boot loop issue or stuck on Apple logo issue on iCloud bypass devices. If you are on tethered bypass device, when you reboot your device, it may stuck on Apple logo or you may lose also your jailbreak. If you are on check-in jailbreak or uncovered jailbreak, all these jailbreak are semi-tethered. That means after every reboot of your device, you have to jailbreak it again, and the one alternate is safe shutdown tweak that will save your jailbreak status once you reboot with the safe shutdown mode. So today I will tell you a different alternate way to fix that boot loop issue or stuck on Apple logo issue on your bypass device or in a normal device and save your jailbreak status after you reboot your device when your battery drains out. So it will work in both the cases. So first you have to be in the jailbroken state. If you don't know how to jailbreak your iCloud device or a normal device, you can follow all my video tutorials. All links are in description. You can check out there for detailed video. After the complete jailbreak, just open your CD application. So first go to changes option, and if there any update available, just update it. So after the complete respring, just you have to go to sources option, and after that you have to click on edit on the top right option, and then you have to add a new repo. So repo link in description also, or you can see on the screen. So just add it, and after that just click on add sources and it will be added in your CD sources list. After you will see the dynastic repo, just go to that repo and then you have to click on all packages and then scroll down to the S section. After that you will see the tweak, just click on that, and after that just simply install it, and after that you have to respring your springboard. After the respring, just go to your setting option, and then you will see the tweak that you have installed. Just click on that, and then you will see the enable tweak option. So first you have to disable it, and after that you have to do some settings. So the shutdown tweak is work when your battery percentage you have set it to that. So as you can see, my battery percentage is 73%, so I have to set any percentage, and that it will automatically safe shut down my device, so it will be save my jailbreak. So for example, I have set to 20%. When my battery drains out and comes to the 20%, it will automatically pop up a emergency message that your device will be shortly safe reboot. So it will be better for automatically safe shut down your device, so you don't have to worry about when your battery drains to that percentage you have set in the app. It will automatically reboot your device or shut down it by safe shutdown. So as you can see, I have applied the changes. So when my battery comes to that percentage I set, as you can see I have set it to 72% now, and it will ask me to low battery mode, and it will be safe shutdown automatically when it's come to the 72 or 71%. Now I will wait for automatically save reboot. As you can see, after the drop of 1%, it will automatically safe shut down my device. It uses the built-in technology of called hibernation that are found in battery RAM in the iOS system, and after that it will disable the springboard and other notification alarms call and any power source that will drain your battery, and after that you have enough time to charge your device, and it will save your jailbreak and the no struck issue. So you can use this tweak. So all things are working after safe reboot. So you can use this tweak. It is better compared to safe shutdown. Automatically do all things and you don't have to manually reboot your device. So when it comes to the reaches to the user percentage set in the application, it will automatically reboot your device, and then you have enough time you can charge, and after the charge your device, when you on, it will completely jailbroken and no stuck issue will be there. And this tweak is less in size and less buggy as compared to safe shutdown, and in some devices the safe shutdown is not working properly or not showing in the setting option. Now you can use this tweak will all working in the iOS 13 all devices. For today, hit the like button. If you're new here, subscribe to my channel. So goodbye, take care and peace out.